Howdy Internet. Today I have had to report that there is nothing I can do about that lawnmower outside. There is, however, something I can do about your lack of caging. As all you need is 4 sprue bits. Not sprue bit, but, sprues. 4 empty sprues. And then what you're going to do is you're going to glue them together, or like I'm about to do, and then you paint them. Alright, let me show you how. Alright, so it's all put together. I used the other 2 sprues I had left over, or just to cover up the bigger holes, and this key thing also to make it look like a makeshift gate. Alright, now what we're going to do next is we're going to spray paint this black or whatever color you want. Silver is also a good one, but I only have bronze as far as metallic spray paint. So I'm going to be painting it black. Alright, let's go. So, then all you need to do is paint on some silver. That's all you need to do, and you have, boom, instant cage. We can put one of these skeletons in there here and have his friends all laugh at him. Yes. So, anyways, that is the end of the video. Thank you all for watching. Bye-bye. Also, wait. If you don't mind liking and subscribing, it would really help a lot. I'm sorry I didn't upload in a while. Just been working on some very big stuff. Alright, bye-bye.